Hello everyone, today I have received my portable air conditioner. It is EBERG TEXO. Here is the model. I decided to make a video, maybe it can be useful for someone, because during my searches I couldn't find any video regarding this model. So here is the AC by itself. Inside this set I had this tube for hot air outside, also the second one for the water, and also such a ClimaLock which is closing the window. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the functions. Here you will have a timer. Here you can regulate the strength of the wind, you can connect to the Wi-Fi. Also here you have swing to adjust the airflow. Also you can of course adjust the temperature which you want. Sleep mode, to be honest I've tried sleep mode and it does not reduce anyhow the noise. Also 3 functions, cooling, drying, and also fan. And the last button is power button. Okay, let's turn it on. The noise is quite loud, I would say, as you can hear it. Now it is in cooling mode. Maximum in 18 degrees. For example, if I will change it to the minimum airflow, the noise is not changing at all. And let's try the fan mode. In the fan mode it works quite much less noisy. And you can change the airflow here. And as you can see, it is showing the current temperature inside the apartment, and also of course the drying mode. And the drying mode also, it works quite and it also has a application which you can use as a pilot, as a remote control via Wi-Fi, and it is quite simple and useful, I would say. And of course inside this set, I forgot to mention, you also has a remote controller. I would say that it works quite well, it cools quite well, but it is very noisy from my experience. And I have ordered also the second air conditioner wearable one with an inverter motor, and I will try this and will show you the comparison between such one and inverter one. And I like it, but as I said, the noise is very high and you need to consider this during the buying. And also of course you need to make sure that your inflow and outflow of the air is controlled. Thank you for watching this. I hope this video will be useful for you. Have a nice day.